Today's deal is for a pearl, blue topaz, and diamond clasp. It's all 14 karat gold. This clasp originally was $350, and it's for multi-strand. You can see on the back here. And how it opens is the safety comes off, and then the bottom just that slides right on out. And comes out, and then it pops back in. So you can open it on either side of it. A lot of 14 karat gold work in here. We're going to sell it. We're going to sell it for $125. That's right, a 14 karat gold multi-strand pearl clasp, $125. This might have been more than $350. This might have been a $400 or $500 clasp. There's a lot of gold in there. $125.